Welcome to Nestforms. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating your first form. Let's get started. The first step in creating a new form is to go to the Forms list. Then mouse over the Create New Form and choose Start with a blank form. The next step in creating your form is giving it a name to help keep your forms organized. So choose a title that makes sense for your survey or checklist. Click to the New Form heading to add your form title. Next, let's add some questions to your form. Nestforms allows you to add different components, such as text fields, drop-downs, numerical inputs, and images. Simply drag the component you want to use from the left panel to the right, and it will be added to your form. Now give your question a name. Make sure it's clear and easy to understand, so responders know exactly what information to provide. We are now adding a name to the Edit component, which allows a question to be answered in free text. If you want just one answer from a short list, use the Single Answer field, ideal for yes or no questions or simple choices. For longer lists, use the drop-down component, as you can see in this example, which lets you select from a longer list of choices while keeping the main screen clear. If more than one answer is needed, choose the Multiple Answer component, which will allow your responders to tick all options that apply. If you would like to take a picture for this form, just drag over the Images component and add a suitable name to explain to the responder your requirements. Need to change the order of your questions? Just click and drag to rearrange them, prioritizing the most important ones at the top. If your form has multiple parts, you can group related questions into sections. This will create separate pages within the mobile app, making it easier for responders to navigate. Once your form is ready, now it's time to share it. Choose who will respond by selecting the appropriate users or groups if you have added any. This ensures the right people can access and complete the form. If you don't have any colleagues appearing, you just need to add them into the Relations page. Pre-filled responses allow you to set fields that define the future response name. For more advanced survey forms, feel free to enable component questions like GPS tracking, number components, and more. Finally, just save your work. Then it becomes available in the Nestforms app for responders to complete. Let's take a look at how a response appears in the app. After logging in for the first time, your new form will appear in the Forms list. You can see the responder is now filling in the answers to the form questions. The issue is being described using the text field. Next, they use a drop-down to choose the Working Status option. Use your phone to take a picture within the form. This image is automatically saved with the response, so images and notes stay together. It's all in one place. Once the responder presses Finish, the data uploads automatically to your web account. If the responder device is offline, it will upload as soon as the responder is connected to the internet again. Let's go back to your main account. Here you can see that your response has been received back into your account after it was sent back by your Responders app. From here, there are many options for you when it comes to exporting your data depending on what you need. That's it! You've now created your first form in Nestforms. For more information, check out our help section and talk to our AI assistant, or if you want to ask something specific, just drop us a line. Happy surveying!